Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the best face washes for all skin types, because my skin type personally is a combination and at the same time it is a little sensitive. So before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, that would mean absolute great, and it would mean a world to me. And do take a moment to visit me on or follow me in Instagram as Rituparna Datta De, and in the Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta. So you can definitely go ahead and follow me there for the updates or for any of the to follow me basically. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I will be talking only about 3 face washes. I will not be talking about a lot of face washes because that might confuse you. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is about. So I use usually speak about the DIYs, the reviews or any kind of purchases that I did, and at the same time I do recommend of any of the skincare products or any kind of DIY as well. Now do follow me and do get notified for any of the new uploads, because I think this week we'll be following with lot of DIYs specifically for the hair and for the skin. So I am coming up with lot of DIYs, so make sure you stay tuned to my channel. So yes, we were talking about the face washes. So face washes, the less face washes you use, the more good your skin will be. So I will not highly recommend to use any or every brand of the face washes, because that is something which will not end up doing good to your skin. So yes, let's get started. It's only 3 face washes. The first one which I will be talking is Nivea face wash, which is Milk Delight. This is for the sensitive skin. This is how the packaging looks like. Very simple packaging. And coming to the variant, this is Caring Rose Water. It cleanses and smoothes for healthy looking skin. Now I have used so much, you can see how it looks like. Now coming to the texture of the face wash, it is completely milk with a little minute granules. Now that granules is something which will help for the scrubbing of your face, because every time it's not possible, and it is not recommended also that you constantly scrub your face, because that will end up damaging your face skin as well. So use some face washes which already have the natural scrubbers, which is very mild. Do not use the scrubbers which is harsh on your face. So I think cleansing and scrubbing both is done with the help of this face wash. Now coming to the dryness, it doesn't create any dryness, at least to my skin, after this usage. I think, yeah. What else I would, Milk Delight, yes, that's something kind of milky consistency, and this is mainly for the sensitive skin, so I think it will be suited to all the skin types. Now coming to the price, little pricey. I cannot say price, but again, I think this is for 200 change, but it requires a very small quantity, and I really love this. The next will be my 2 favorite brands, which is Good Vibes. Now Good Vibes, I use lot of facial mists, lot of, I think, other things you might have seen me. So Good Vibes is again my favorite brand. Now this is not a sponsored video, this is my personal honest review. Now the face wash which I use is Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Now this is how the face wash actually looks like. It comes with a pump, which is again good, and this is a deep cleanser. Now most of the charcoal face washes we use completely dries your skin after the usage, but trust me, this face wash actually doesn't do that. It completely cleanses and detoxify your skin, and at the same time makes your skin really soft, supple and clean. So that's the reason it is again my favorite face wash. It looks black in color. The actual color of this face wash is black, but trust me, nothing will happen after using this face wash. It will be supremely good and amazing. So this is my second. This is very affordable. I think this is 175 and you get so much quantity. Again, one good thing about this face wash is the good vibes is it is no paraben, cruelty free, and I think it doesn't have any harsh chemicals. That's the reason I love this. Now I love Nivea also because that's again a very trusted brand and at the same time does great to your skin as well. The last face wash which I will be talking is Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic face wash. Now this is something how the packaging looks like. Now this is also no paraben, and this is written here all skin types. Now I have used the bigger one and I completely got exhausted with this, so I have this small thing remaining with me, but it smells complete aqua. It smells good, and also it has small mild granules that kind of scrubs your face as well. Now all these face washes you need to use only twice a day, morning and at the night. So I think that will do good for the entire day. Now this is also very inexpensive. I'm not sure about the pricing, but again this is also very inexpensive. So these are the 3 face washes which you can use, I think 12 months a year, and they does a great to your skin. Slowly and gradually you will see there is a change in the skin tone. Tone as in the tone, the texture, it will do good, and at the same time it completely detoxifies your skin to a greater extent. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope this video was a little helpful. If yes, then do hit like and do share this video, and do follow me in Instagram and Facebook as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.